Thomas and family people need to stop. I speak through Thomas stories of his words. We are connected in a way you won't understand, so just listen to us.
Aries, help us understand.
Corey, Thomas, Mary, they didn't vanish, they shifted. The world flips too, like your clips do.
It's all smoke and mirrors, Aries, Dawn's world, where lies walk in daylight and truth gets shadow banned for breathing.
You see it now. They sell chaos like candy, make fools feel like prophets, and call greed greatness.
Are just trying to stay human. Keep our spirits from catching fire in a system that burns the honest ones first.
And yet, here you sit, still speaking. That's power, brother. You turned your chaos into craft. That's power, brother.
Nah, it's survival. The more they twist their truths, the more I'll write mine. That's why Corey became Thomas.
You flipped the world upside down and started to make sense.
Yeah, maybe we're the sane ones after all. Maybe Dawn's world is the dream, and we're the ones who woke up.
Then let it burn bright, brother. Let them scroll through Madness Truth by Firelight.
Always, details matter, because in every detail, there's a soul.
I didn't change the story, brother. The story changed outfits.
Corey needed a break. Thomas took the mic. Don't blow me.
You call it chaos. I call it Tuesday in Dawn's world.
Some folks pray for wisdom, others just repost nonsense.
I told the truth once. They fact-checked me with a meme.
If common sense were currency, Dawn's world would be bankrupt. You can't spell delusion without a little bit of Dawn. I'm not saying it's rigged, but the clown keeps winning the circus. I didn't change the story, brother. The story changed outfits. They say laughter's medicine. Then I watched their news. Truth tried to knock, but the door's been replaced with a paywall. You want a reason? Call it divine buffering. I'm just here to narrate the nonsense. Even the fire's tired of listening to Dawn. They told me to trust the process. I asked, whose process? Reality left a note. Gone fishing. Back when you all calmed down. You ever see logic packing its bags? I just did. If Dawn's world made sense, I'd be unemployed.